Ladies and gentlemen, I am so excited to introduce to you here today Putco's full lineup of aluminum CNC machined extra heavy duty inside truck bed Molle panels. Absolutely awesome product. Beautiful, beautiful matte black finish that's going to fit right along with the overland rack we have up above here. As you can see, full set installed in our Ford F-150 here today. You can go with one side, both sides, just the front, whatever you kind of need so far as if it's storing work equipment, if it's something for camping, if it's something for absolutely any overlanding practice, the Putco Molle panels are an absolute must. They come with a couple of different things and features that I'd like to cover off that make it very different from the competition. Each side of these is actually going to be set up, not only are the panels vehicle specific, but your install equipment is vehicle specific too. So no drilling, no cutting, no modification required. All you need is your truck and the Molle panels and you are good to go. On top of that, again, finishing off nice, really nice textured finish on those. You'll be able to hook up anything from roto packs to shovels to skis, fishing equipment, camping equipment. Again, absolutely anything you need to move and keep protected underneath a tonneau cover. These work great with tonneau covers. You're going to be all set. Now, of course, the front panel might be something you'll have some trouble with retracting covers, so make sure to touch base with RHRSwag's customer service and sales team there. But as far as the side panels on any vehicle make model year, with some kind of a rolling cover here that mounts to the inside of the bed, a hard folding cover, anything like that, you can place those clamps right alongside perfectly with Putco's Molle panels. I thank you so much for checking in. Certainly take a peek at all of our special features and other video features we have on these and more from Putco for overland accessories, and join us at rhrswag.com.